In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local pickup in Shopify checkout. By the end, you'll have the pickup option visible at checkout so nearby customers can collect their orders in person, saving on shipping and speeding up fulfillment. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and store settings. From here, look to the lower left corner and open settings. This is where all store-wide options live, including shipping, payments, and checkout preferences. Inside settings, go to shipping and delivery. This page controls how orders get to customers. You'll see a dedicated section for local pickup. Click Setup to begin configuring it. This opens the setup flow that connects the pickup option to a specific physical location in your account. You'll see a list of your locations under a section typically labeled Your Locations. Choose the location you want to offer as a pickup point. If you operate more than one location, pick the one where you'll actually hand over items to customers. It's a good idea to keep naming clear, like main store or warehouse, so customers recognize where they're heading. Inside the selected location, turn on the location status using the toggle. This is what activates pickup at that location. With this switched on, Shopify can display the local pickup option to customers who are eligible at checkout. Next, set the expected pickup date by choosing an order processing time from the dropdown. This tells customers how long it typically takes before their order is ready. For example, same day, next business day, or a custom timeline. Choose a time frame that you can consistently meet based on your team, inventory handling, and store hours. Clarity here reduces confusion and follow-up questions. Then click into the Ready for Pickup notification section. This is the message customers receive when their order is prepared for collection. Use clear, friendly language and include practical details like where to go in store, what to bring for verification, and pickup hours. Keep it concise and consistent with your brand tone. If your hours vary during holidays, consider neutral wording that won't quickly become outdated. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving applies your changes so the local pickup option can appear at checkout for applicable orders. A couple of quick best practice reminders as you wrap up. Make sure the address and hours on the location are accurate and keep your processing time realistic. Clear communication upfront leads to smoother handoffs and happier customers. That's it. Your local pickup option is now enabled and configured